Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and we have some fun items to share with you today. Are you ready? Get set, go. Here is our first one. It is called a Fancy Edge Square Flip It. There's a small chance you have the one that has the circle in the center, and we released this one literally the very first or second year we were in business, and literally we made like literally none. So pretty much 99.9% of you, this is going to be brand new, which is really exciting because I said I was never going to bring it back, and never say never. So look at this. I'm very excited about this one. Now, we also are releasing a 5x7 long, we call it long neck because there's no way in the world I'm going to spell out brontosaurus. But I do know it is a brontosaurus. But look at how cute he is. It's 5x7. This is in, because of my babies, they have their fun blue dinosaur that they hop around on, so I needed to make them a die for it. The next item, and I have lots of samples, you guys. Stay tuned for the samples because all of the samples are absolutely amazing. The next one is one that I have been waiting for a long time because it's another tri background, but I'm calling it basic tri background. Now, I know you've already seen the one that we came out with a long time ago with the stars and the moon at the top, and then we just came out with the clouds and the sun. But now, and remember, they're all, each piece is interchangeable. All three pieces are all interchangeable. This one is really exciting because one, it just cuts out. There's a lot of dies in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dies. The biggest one is just going to cut out those 3 shapes. So what if you wanted to do this one and you only wanted to have a plain background for one of the pieces? That's where this one comes in, right? It also comes with a die that will do dots all the way around those cutout pieces. Also, it comes with hearts, stars, and swirls. So the dotted swirls you had down here, but you didn't have them up here. The stars you had, whoops, I turned it around, stars. The stars are here with the moon, but now you have stars down here. So we're mixing and matching, and the samples are amazing, you guys. Get ready. The next one we're releasing is I know it doesn't look like much here, but it is a massive, big hello. And I'm looking for a sample of it really quick to show you. Oh, well, here's one. Oh, here's one. A big, massive hello. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love it. It's so fun. It has a little stitch on the inside. Absolutely adorable. I love it. You're going to love it too. Hang on. Now, last but not least is our Happy Birthday in the Cheerful series. So this is Happy Birthday. I have samples to share with you, but this one is my absolute favorite because it's perfect for a cake top. Look at that. It's using the eyelet scallop circles and the Steffi doll number 8 holding out her cute little cupcake. Happy birthday with toothpicks. Imagine buying just a cake at the grocery store and putting this on the top. Genius, right? I know, Michelle, you're awesome. Genius. Okay, let's look at all our samples because I have tons. You know I love my flip-its. We have lots and lots of flip-its here. Ready? Look at that. Easy peasy. So easy to do. So much fun. Here's a cute one with Sage and our cute little reindeer. Love you dearly. Here's a cute one. Big hugs. Here's another fun one. Look at that with the cute little baby carriage. Love it. Ooh, here's a pretty one with some felt flowers. So pretty. So pretty. I love that fancy edge because you know what? It really shows that it's not just a boring straight card, right? It really has a lot of personality. Look at this one. Use our pattern paper and you're halfway done, right? I love it. Love it. Now here's some more hellos. Look at that one. Isn't that beautiful? It's, look, oh wow, look at that. I absolutely love it. And it's fun with that stitch mark on there because it just adds a little extra. And it's big, it's a big sized die. So you put that on the front of a card and you're almost done, right? Because it's so large, which is fun. You can also make it into a shaker if you want to, and a fold it, which is really cute. Here's a fun one on a smaller card. I love it. I'm so blessed to call you a friend. Here's our cute little sloth. I love that sloth. He's so fun. Okay, are you ready for some tri backgrounds? Ready, get set, look at these. So remember that dot I was telling you about? Look, you can do pieces all the way around with those dots. So those dots are options now, which is really fun. You grow, girl. Now, on this one, you don't have to go vertical. You could go horizontal with these pieces, right? Easy peasy to go horizontal on these. Using the dots, fun, love it, happy fall. Here's one using just the cutout pieces. So it's a fun background, but it's more subtle, which is really nice, right? Wow. Okay, here is an example of the dots. Isn't that amazing? It just adds so much more. Cute little clouds on there, add little Liam, so cute. Another horizontal. So now we're gonna start going horizontal, which is really fun. Absolutely love that. Here's a cute one, our little monster on our gift card size rectangle. Happy birthday, which is cute. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I love it. Sometimes the subtle is the most gorgeous, right? Happy birthday. Open it up, snail mail, happy belated birthday. And it's so fun, it's just in black and white, that snail. Or you could do bright pink. Look at that, that's our watermelon color. I absolutely love that bright pink. And here's one, different colors. So the nice thing about these dies is they're separate. So you could go up and down, you could go sideways. You don't have to have it, or you could just do happy, happy, happy. May all your dreams come true, right? Look at that. Isn't that fun? Happy, happy, happy birthday. They do come with the shadows as well on these. Happy birthday. So cute. Okay, are you ready for dinosaur time? It's dinosaur time. Roar. Okay, dinosaurs are not just for boys. Let me tell you. Look at this. This is proof. Is she the most gorgeous thing who made this? Yvette. Is she the most gorgeous girl you've ever seen? Look at how pretty she is. Party on. Nothing beats celebrating you today. Isn't she beautiful? Now, Michelle made a fun stuffy. These stuffies are the cutest things you ever saw, aren't they? I absolutely love these. They're just so much fun. I even have my watermelon up there on its little stand. Here's a cute one. Have a happy day. So look, we have a purple one. We have a green one. We have our blue one. Let's see, here's our blue one. Ooh, or we could do brown. Brown, brown, brown. And we could put it on a 5x7 card if we wanted to. And, okay, are you ready for this? Who did this? Linda. Linda, look at this, you guys. Hello, Flintstone babies. Oh, so dang cute. Using the Liam and, who is that, Katie? Kirsten, that's the Kirsten one. So adorable, yabba dabba doo. Is that the most adorable thing you've ever seen in your life? It's your birthday. Imagine getting that card. Wow. Club members, let me double check, make sure I got, here's one. Missed one. No, missed one. Cheryl made this one with our 3D ink. Love it. Club members, club members, you get the club discount on all of these products. Make sure you go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Check out the homepage. They're all up there. And chances are, if you get them right when they come out, you might find some flash sales. So go check that out as well. As soon as this video comes out, boom. First 24 hours, a lot of these products are going to be on flash sale or until sold out. Wow. If you're not in the club, you need to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch the video. Check it out. You might fall in love with us. And if you do join the club, which starts at only $13.99 a month and includes a stamp set, you get a 15% discount on all of these products. Now, I mentioned a flash sale. What if you're a club member and something's brand new and it's on flash sale, and you're a club member? Yes, not only do you get the flash sale price, you also get your club discount, so you get to double dip on discounts, and you get club points on those purchases. It's amazing, you guys. You have to go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. It's only $13.99 a month for the Stamp Club, and that gets you all of those awesome benefits. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.